Okay, this is my GreenLife baking pan, and it's the all-natural ceramic coating. It needs to be washed, but it washes up really nice, and I've had this for quite a while. You see, this is just gonna wipe right off. I don't wash my baking pans every time I use them. It cooks evenly, stuff does not get stuck. Look, you can see this right here. It's just gonna come right off. You don't have to scrape, you don't have to scrub. It's a healthier cooking surface than, you know, a non-stick brand. The color of the lighting is kind of bad, but it's a pretty, you know, soft pink color, which I love. Again, this is gonna come right off. It's a nice pan, it's a good size. It's not too small, but it fits perfect, you know, on either top or bottom rack. I really love this baking pan.